Have you ever felt something so deeply but couldn't find the right words to express it? Emotions are at the heart of human experience, and describing them accurately is a powerful skill. Today, we'll explore advanced words that can elevate your ability to describe emotions and connect with others. Let's start with ecstatic. This word is perfect for describing extreme happiness or excitement. Imagine winning a big prize or achieving a long-term goal. Your joy would be beyond words. For example, I was ecstatic when I got my dream job. Next, we have melancholy. This word beautifully captures a deep, reflective sadness. It's not just feeling sad, it's a thoughtful, often poetic kind of sorrow. For instance, the old photographs filled her with a sense of melancholy. Doesn't it sound more profound than just saying she felt sad? How about envious? This word is often confused with jealousy, but there's a subtle difference. If you're envious, you desire something that someone else has. For example, he felt envious of his friend's promotion. Instead of saying jealous, envious is a sharper, more accurate term. Another interesting emotion word is overwhelmed. This can describe feeling emotionally flooded, whether it's too much joy, sadness, or even stress. For example, she was overwhelmed with gratitude after the surprise party. Notice how it conveys the depth of feeling? Now let's talk about apprehensive. This describes the uneasy feeling you get when you're worried about something in the future. For example, he was apprehensive about his first job interview. Instead of saying you're nervous, apprehensive gives a more vivid picture of your state of mind. Moving on to content, this word describes a calm and peaceful kind of happiness. You might feel content sitting by the fire with a good book. For instance, after a long day, she felt content just being at home. It's happiness, but without the loud excitement of joy. Let's not forget resentful. This word is for those times when you feel bitterness or anger, often because you think you've been treated unfairly. For example, he felt resentful when his efforts were overlooked. It's a powerful way to describe bottled-up frustration. And here's one you might not hear every day: exhilarated. This is a strong word for feeling thrilled or energized, like after a roller coaster ride or an exciting adventure. For example, she felt exhilarated after completing the marathon. Doesn't it sound much more expressive than just saying excited? Lastly, we have nostalgic. This word captures the bittersweet feeling of looking back fondly on the past. It's a mix of joy and a touch of sadness. For example, he felt nostalgic as he flipped through his childhood photo album. It's a word that wraps a whole story into a single emotion. Words like these don't just make your vocabulary richer, they make your conversations and writing more engaging. So, which of these words describes how you're feeling right now? Task for you. Pick one of these words and use it in a sentence. Share your sentence in the comments and let's learn together. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel Master English Speaking for more tips on mastering English and expanding your vocabulary. Remember, emotions are universal, but how we express them sets us apart. Let your words show the depth of your feelings.